Hi everyone, I'm Monique Courtenay, and I just want to tell you guys about the amazing field of ophthalmology. I'm a second year resident at Howard University Hospital in the ophthalmology department, and just want to tell you why I'm in the best medical field there is. So if you're thinking about ophtho, keep watching. So to become an ophthalmologist, it's like any other medical specialty, even though by definition we only treat the medical and surgical disorders of the eye. You still have to go to medical school and learn about the rest of the body because, believe it or not, many different diseases can affect the eye, including the different medications that we give patients. So you need to finish high school, you need to go to undergrad and get a 4-year degree, then you also need to go to medical school for 4 years. Then our residency is 4 years as well. And then you can also do a 1 or 2 year fellowship afterwards. I'm not sure if I want to do a fellowship, but I'm halfway through the residency portion. So if you want to be an ophthalmologist, budget at least 12 years. All right, so why my job is the best? Obviously, we're saving vision. If you look at any study about senses, people always rate their vision or their eyes to be their most treasured sense out of all of them. Just think about it. Would you be able to watch this video or do your homework or drive a car or do any type of job really without your eyesight? It's one of the things that we take for granted until it's going away. And that's why in my field I have very grateful patients that listen when we tell them things for the most part, because nobody wants to go blind before they need to or to lose their vision before old age. We work in clinics like this one I'm in right now. We also are surgeons. So normally after residency, you'd have 1 to 2 surgery days a week. You do things like cataract surgery. I'm sure you guys have heard of things like LASIK, and different glaucoma surgeries, all kinds of different surgeries that you do on the eye to help with disease. Or if something like LASIK, just to help people see better without awesome glasses or contacts. And then you also see patients in clinic as well. So these can be pre-ops and post-ops for surgery, or just managing different diseases like glaucoma or macular degeneration. So there's 2 sides to the coin. You get to fix things really quick as a surgeon, and you get to also have great lasting relationships with patients. Other things, let's see. Why do I like ophtho? Because it's the best ever. And what I don't like about ophtho? Well, it's a long road. So like any medical specialty, you definitely have to love it. Make sure there's nothing else you would rather do before you start this road, because it is hard to start anything else after residency or after med school. But other than that, I love everything about it. So, sorry. But just some things so you know, like the difference between an ophthalmologist like me and optometrist like you may see at LensCrafters or America's Best or even like a Walmart optical shop, is that ophthalmologists are medical physicians and surgeons, whereas optometrists just deal with refraction and glasses and contacts. And they can help screen for different diseases. So while we definitely need them and they play a great role, they're 2 very different fields. Okay, so ophthalmologists, surgeons, optometrists, not. Okay, typical day for me. I get into the office around 7:30, 8-ish. Then we start seeing patients in clinic around 8, 8:30. And then I'm normally done about 5. So of all the medical specialties, and especially the surgical specialties, we have probably some of the best schedule, which is great. And there's very few emergencies at night that can bring us back into the hospital. So we have some of the most cushiest lifestyle, and the pay is great too. But if you're thinking about ophthalmology and you want to reach out, please let me know. I'm sure most of you know my mother, Sylvia Courtenay. But just let me know. I would love to talk with you further about this great field. Okay? Have a great day and enjoy exploring all the different careers out there.